Hi, in this lesson we're going to look at the basic math problems in C++. Using arithmetic operators, you can perform basic math on the numeric values in your program. We can use these operators to solve mathematical equations and build functions to perform common tasks and calculations. Here's a list of the basic math operators in C++. The first four should look familiar, but let's take a closer look at the modulus or mod operator there at the bottom. The mod operator returns the remainder of dividing two numbers. For example, 17 mod 5 is 2. Well, how do we get that? Well, 5 fits into 17 3 times, but there's a 2 left over. Modulus returns that remainder, so the answer in this case is 2. When doing calculations with two integers, the result is always an integer, whether it's adding two integers, subtracting, multiplying. Most of the time it's not a problem, but for division, this can cause an issue. 3 divided by 4 is 0.75. However, when we divide two integers, we get an integer as a result. In this case, the quotient of 3 and 4 is 0.75, but it gets truncated down to 0 in order to be an integer. Note that it does not get rounded in the way that we're used to. It is always truncated and the numbers to the right of the decimal point are lost. To get around this, you need one of the two numbers to be a double. For example, if the second number is read in as a double, then the result of an integer divided by a double will be a double. Alternatively, you can cast one of the numbers temporarily to a double. To cast a number to a double, use the word double inside parentheses. It's important to note that you can't just cast the solution to a double. If you do this, then your result of number 1 divided by number 2 is an integer divided by an integer, and so that's going to become 0 and then get cast to a double afterwards. Also note that casting a value only temporarily changes that value for the calculation. The actual value stored in the variable is still an integer. It is possible to cast variables to many different forms, but here are some of the more common ones. To cast between an int and a double, you use the keyword int or double inside of parentheses before the number that you want to cast. When casting a double to an integer, the value will get truncated. You can also cast a string to a number if that string is a number. This is important because if you want to do mathematical operations, the value needs to either be an integer or a double. Casting these uses a slightly different format. Notice that we use the keyword stoi or stod and then put the string value inside the parentheses. Okay, let's take a look at this in the editor. Okay, so let's take a look at our integer division in this example. So again, if I run this here, you're going to see I have 5 divided by 2 where I have two integers, and I have 5 divided by 2 where I have an integer and a double. The results are a little bit different. Again, the integer divided by an integer truncates that value down, and so I don't get the actual answer. When I divide it by that double, I now get the actual value. So I'm going to delete this one here, and I'm going to show you that we can actually cast this value. If we want to have one of these as a double, I can cast this one here as a double, and that forces that first number 5 to temporarily be a double, and when I do that, I now get that 2.5 value out of there. Now it's important to see too that it is just temporary. If I go to print out this value here, and I'm just going to print out my int1 afterwards, I'm going to see that it is still just an integer when I print that out. So there's no decimal point with that number. Okay, let me go ahead and comment this part out here, and then let's take a look at how we can cast to string values. So again, if I want to add 5.4 to 5, in order to do that, I need to have a number. If I just try to do this here, I'm just going to try this as a string there, you see I don't get a result that works. So let me undo that. By using this stod, as long as this value is a number, I can cast that, it becomes a number, and it adds it to my number. Now if this was not a number, like if this was just something like that, we're going to see that we're going to get an error because it's going to say I can't cast the word hi to a number. So go ahead and play around with that and make sure you also explore the mod function.